Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the cross references. So this cross references is useful within a document. So if you have a multiple pages in your document and if you want to create a reference between the two pages, like if I want to go from directly from page number 2 to directly page 6, then I have to create a cross reference between them. So we have already learned about the hyperlink, which is useful to create a link for within a document, outside the document, on web page, or you can also create a new document by creating a hyperlink. In hyperlink, we convert that word into the heading and then we create a hyperlink. But in cross references, we don't need to convert any word or the sentence. How to create a cross references? Let's see. For that, I have one document over here, and now if I want to put a cross references over here, like this table, for this table I want to create a cross reference. So what I will do, I will select this table, right click on it, insert a caption, and now this is your table. So select the table here first, give it a name to it, that is a keywords or whichever name you want to, and click OK. Once you click OK, the caption will be inserted either above or below just by selecting the position. I want above, just select above and click OK. Now that caption is inserted to the table. Now I want to create a cross reference. So I want to insert a cross reference in my index. So how I will do that? Just select where you want to put the cross reference. Select that word like this. Go to the insert, click on the cross reference, select the reference type. As you have created a reference for the table, select the table. That option will come over here. Select that option. Now here there is an option if you want the entire caption or only page number or only caption text. As per your convenience, you can select and insert. Now here you can see the cross references created over here. Now if you want to directly jump on that cross reference, you have to press the control button and click on that, and you will directly go to that table. In this way you can create a cross reference. One more time we will see it. Now this chart, I want to create a cross reference for it. So I have to select that chart, right click on it, then insert a caption. Now this is not a table, it is a chart. Select the chart and give it a name as a data type. And now select where you want, above or below. I want above and click OK. So now if you don't find your option in labels, you can also create your own label from here. But I have on already there a chart option, so select it and click OK. Now that crosslink created over here. Now wherever I want to put that cross reference, just select that word like this, click on the cross reference, select the reference type and select that, and entire caption or only caption text or page number, just select it like this and insert. Or you can also insert only caption text and insert. So in this way you can create a cross reference. Now you can see here it is not properly visible that the data type doesn't show that it has a cross reference. If you want to make it visible, just click on underline and it will be visible. So when you press the control button and click on that, it will directly go to that chart. This way you can create a cross references within your document. Thank you.